The year was 1957. The Soviet Union had launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, into orbit. This event marked the beginning of the space race. The United States, caught off guard, was suddenly playing catch-up. In response, the United States established NASA in 1958. NASA was tasked with leading the United States in the space race. This new agency would be the spearhead of American ambition in space. The creation of NASA marked a turning point in history. It signaled the beginning of a new era of exploration and discovery. The United States was ready to embark on a journey unlike any other. Project Mercury was NASA's first human spaceflight program. The goal was clear: to put an American astronaut into Earth orbit and return him safely. The challenges were immense. The Mercury astronauts, known as the Mercury 7, became instant heroes. Names like Alan Shepard, John Glenn, and Gus Grissom became synonymous with courage and adventure. Alan Shepard became the first American in space in 1961, although his flight was suborbital. John Glenn followed later that year, becoming the first American to orbit the Earth. These missions captivated the nation, inspiring a generation with the possibilities of space exploration. Project Mercury, though modest in comparison to what would follow, was a crucial first step. It proved that human spaceflight was possible. It laid the groundwork for the ambitious missions that would follow. The lessons learned from Mercury would pave the way for the next chapter in America's spacefaring journey. Following the successes of Project Mercury, NASA embarked on Project Gemini. This program was designed to test and develop the technologies needed for landing humans on the moon. The Gemini missions were significantly more complex than their Mercury predecessors. The Gemini spacecraft, designed to carry 2 astronauts, allowed for longer duration missions and more complex maneuvers in space. These missions saw the first American spacewalks, the first rendezvous and docking of 2 spacecraft in orbit, and the longest duration spaceflights up to that time. Project Gemini was about pushing the limits of human endurance and understanding the challenges of living and working in space. The knowledge gained during Project Gemini was crucial for the success of the Apollo program. It demonstrated that humans could live and work in space for extended periods. It proved the technologies needed for lunar landing were feasible. Most importantly, it instilled a confidence in NASA and the nation that the seemingly impossible dream of reaching the moon was within reach. On Section 4, the Apollo era, landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to Earth. President John F. Kennedy's words in 1961 echoed a bold vision. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. The Apollo program was born, a testament to human ambition and the pursuit of the unknown. Thousands of engineers and scientists across the country worked tirelessly to design and build the Saturn V rocket and the Apollo spacecraft. The world held its breath on July 20, 1969. Neil Armstrong's words, etched in history, marked a pivotal moment for humanity. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. The impossible had been achieved. Human beings had walked on the moon. The Apollo missions were more than just a race to the moon. They were a testament to the power of human ingenuity, a demonstration of what can be achieved when people work together towards a common goal. The scientific discoveries made during the Apollo era revolutionized our understanding of the moon and our place in the cosmos. Apollo was a triumph of the human spirit, a legacy that continues to inspire generations. Section 5, the Space Shuttle, a new era of space exploration. With the conclusion of the Apollo program, NASA faced a new challenge: developing a sustainable and cost-effective way to access space. The answer was the Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft designed to make space travel more routine. The Space Shuttle era began in 1981 with the launch of Columbia, the first of NASA's fleet of reusable spacecraft. The shuttle was a marvel of engineering, capable of carrying astronauts and payloads into low Earth orbit. It played a crucial role in the construction of the International Space Station, a testament to international collaboration and the peaceful pursuit of scientific knowledge. The shuttle enabled a wide range of scientific missions. It deployed satellites, repaired orbiting spacecraft, and conducted numerous scientific experiments. The Space Shuttle program was a symbol of American leadership in space exploration, inspiring generations with the possibilities of space travel. But this era of exploration would not be without its challenges and tragedies. reminding us of the risks inherent in pushing the boundaries of human endeavor. Section 6. Tragedy and Triumph: The Legacy of Challenger and Columbia. The Space Shuttle program, for all its successes, was also marked by tragedy. The loss of Challenger in 1986 and Columbia in 2003 served as stark reminders of the inherent risks of space exploration. The Challenger disaster occurred just 73 seconds after liftoff, claiming the lives of all 7 astronauts on board. The Columbia tragedy occurred during re-entry, when the orbiter disintegrated over Texas, killing all 7 crew members. These tragedies had a profound impact on NASA. They led to significant changes in the agency's safety culture, engineering practices, and risk management procedures. Despite these setbacks, the human spirit of exploration remained undeterred. The Space Shuttle program resumed flights after both tragedies, demonstrating resilience and the commitment to continue pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. The legacy of Challenger and Columbia serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made in the pursuit of space exploration and the importance of learning from past mistakes. Section 7. Reaching for Mars: The Red Planet Beckons. As the Space Shuttle era came to an end, NASA set its sights on a new horizon: Mars. The Red Planet, with its tantalizing hints of past habitability, has long captured the human imagination. The journey to Mars is a daunting challenge, requiring technological advancements and a deep understanding of the challenges of long-duration spaceflight. NASA's current Mars missions, including the Perseverance rover and the Ingenuity helicopter, are laying the groundwork for future human exploration. They are gathering valuable data about the Martian environment, searching for signs of past life, and testing technologies that will be crucial for future human missions. But the journey to Mars is about more than just technological prowess. It is about international collaboration, scientific discovery, and inspiring future generations. The Artemis program, NASA's next chapter in human space exploration, will establish a sustainable presence on the Moon, serving as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars. The journey to Mars is a long and challenging one, but it is a journey that holds the promise of unlocking some of the greatest mysteries of our universe and inspiring generations to come.